1-step hair dryer and volumizer, hot air brush, professional hair straightener and curler, hot comb, blow dryer, hair styling tools. Product description: EU/UK/O plug voltage 220V, US plug voltage 110V, power cord length 2 m, can rotate 360 degrees, color box size 38.5*11*9 cm, net weight about 625 grams, package weight about 700 grams, rated voltage AC 100-240V 50/60 Hz, power 1000W, nylon pin and tufted bristles, easy detangle and better grip of your hair. Strong ion blow, ion wind works well in locking water inside hair and keeping hair natural/smooth. Not S.